Hello, I'm Gaetan Andri. I'm the physics lab instructor here at Dalhousie University Agricultural Campus, and this is a short introduction to laboratory safety for the Physics 1000, 1001, 1002, and 1003 labs that we do here on campus. We have 10 basic safety rules to follow, and we're going to go over them. The first one is simply follow directions of the lab instructor, which will usually be me or the class professor if I'm not available. The second rule is no food or drinks in the lab. If you need to eat or drink, you can just go in the hallway and take a 5-minute breather and go eat there or drink there. I don't know. Wear appropriate clothing and protective equipment. We do not require lab coats, but if you want to bring one, you are welcome to. The only thing we require is that you wear closed-toe shoes, and if we require you to wear safety glasses or protective glove or something like that, we'll provide those for you. You should place your bags not on the lab tables, but rather on the floor against the wall. This way, when people walk, it's not a danger for tripping. So just make sure you put your bags away. Rule number 5 is take due care when performing the experiment. That's for 2 reasons. The first one is for safety, of course. If you work with a steam generator and it overflows, you want to catch any mishaps before something bad happens. But also, if you pay attention during your experiment, you will notice little things here and there, and it will help you do a better write-up for your lab. Rule number 6 and rule number 7 is basically do not modify or force the equipment. If something doesn't seem to work, it's probably broken or you're using it wrong. So if that happens, just let me know. I'll take a look, either show you how it works or give you a piece of equipment that actually works. Rule number 8 is report any breaks, any spills, or any injuries immediately. So if there's an accident, you won't lose marks for that, but I do need to know so I can either give you first aid or repair the piece of equipment that you broke or order a new piece of equipment. So don't try to hide these things. If I found out later that something is broken, I will go back and say, well, who broke that? And I need to know. Behave appropriately. A lab is going to be a fun environment, but it is not a playground, so don't play pranks on your lab partners. Otherwise, it will jeopardize their safety. And the last rule is, of course, if there's an emergency, follow directions of safety personnel. So if the firefighters come and say go to land job, this is a fire in the building, go to land job. But if land job is too close, they might say go to McFair Library instead. Just follow their directions. And that covers safety in the physics labs. If you have any questions, you can always drop by my office. I'm available in my office hours.